Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 241 Pleasant Street, Unit 1R, and this is a one bed, one bath on the first floor in Worcester. And I just want to start out by showing you what it looks like in the living room. So you come in through the side entrance over there to my right, other entrance through that room on my left, and you see the living room. So this kind of goes to the whole rest of the house. The doorways through on this side go to the kitchen, and then this other room over here. So you can kind of see just by going around the best you can about the size of this place, what kind of furniture would be able to fit here. I'd say in both of these rooms you could easily fit, like a couch, sectional couch, an entertainment system, both of which could be set up. Another thing I like about this place is that you have a good amount of windows, pretty big windows, kind of full size for what it has in the layout. This is the other room over here. So like I said, that's another exit and entrance that comes out of the building. And you can see the baseboard heating. It's gas heat, so you're gonna see that kind of going throughout the unit. Very nice to see, very spacious. Ceilings are pretty good height too. And there's some extra closet space. So there's one closet over here, pretty large closet, another closet over here. And then this is the kitchen. So it looks really nice in here. A lot of the finishes were touched up pretty recently. You have the stainless steel fridge, stainless steel stove, and a stainless steel sink. So those are all in here already included as well. And it is very cool to see the vinyl floors as well. Vinyl floors are in great shape. Paint is in good shape too. Here's the bathroom. So through the kitchen, you're gonna see that there's access to the other rooms, the other bedrooms over there. This is the bathroom. So there's a stand-in shower and a mirror with everything else that you kind of need for the bathroom. There's a towel rack over there as well. So really nice to see in here. There's a fan that comes on too. And then finally through this room is the bedroom. So this is the closed off bedroom with the door. And pretty spacious in here, very, high ceilings, higher than a lot of the ceilings that I get to see. And, I have the blinds on right now and it's raining, but when it's not, this just gets a good amount of light in here as well. And there's a closet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe closets for a one bedroom apartment. So if storage is a big thing for you, this is definitely a great option. Same thing if you like first floor unit and one bedroom apartments, because one bedroom apartments don't come often in Worcester. So I'm really happy to have this listing right now. If you want to see a full list of all the apartments that we have for rent, you can go to Nexus, WOR.com, and go to our for rent page. Once again, this was 241 Pleasant Street, Unit 1R. And this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.